Yo, what's crackalacking peeps? It's your boy Eddie, coming back with another video. Been a week since I uploaded, but today we have a tackle box unboxing from TackleWarehouse. This is for my Christmas present. We are going to be doing an unboxing today. Got over 23 items about. Let's just get into today's video. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, what are you doing? Get off the full screen, scroll down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that red button. Right beside it's gonna be a notification. Click all. Hold on. You're still watching me and still didn't click off the video and scroll down. Now I'm gonna just wait.
3 hours later.
Now I know you did, but the other guy didn't. So I'm gonna be like that 4th grade math teacher. Like the video, please.
1 eternity later.
You like it? Okay. Alright, so let's get back into this unboxing. You still didn't like the video. I'll tell you what's up. It's a doozy, guys. Oh, I'm not gonna need this. Woo! I don't know where to start, man. Look at this, guys. This is insane. I guess the best place to start. This is 6 cents. We got the Cloud 9 3.8. Look at that bad boy right there. Look at that bad boy right there. That's gonna be sexy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gosh. See the bang? Any bang? Nope. It's just silent. Loving this. 7th, 8th. 6 cents. Stepping it up. First one down. Second one. I'm gonna just go pick this. Ooh. Got the Junebug Bandinos. Now I know you guys are saying, how you gonna get 6 cents? And how you gonna get grooving? Man, look, I'm just here to fish. I love it. Hey, y'all wanna sponsor me, sponsor me. I love both of y'all, man. Excellent baits, excellent team. We got the Junebug. Can't go wrong with these. Ooh. Tough one here. 2.5 blue crawl. You can really see the purple and the blue spine on that thing. Pretty crackalacking if you ask me. Oh, Lucky Crab. Blue, I forgot what it's called. This is called a Flake Tabagaki gill, if I'm not mistaken. It's looking sexy. Oh yeah, definitely gonna be using that up in them trees. Ooh, the 6XD. Had to get the 6XD blue gizzard. This is if I'm not mistaken, this is, guys, 19 feet and beyond. 1 ounce. Loving this. Got a little rattle to it too. Definitely gonna be using this. Look at the feel on that thing. Holy cow. Next bait. Ooh. The Z-Man custom chatterbait. Chartreuse white. Gonna be using that. Let's go. Ooh. It's an Ozark crawler? No, RK crawler. 9 to 14 feet. RK 55. Oh yeah. What color is this? This is a crawl color. I think this is yeah, 9 to 14 feet. Medium water. That thing is looking good. It's looking juice. We have another 6XD. I got two 6XDs. What?
Bruh.
I don't remember grabbing two 6XDs. Oh, I do. I like this one right here. It's called a real shad. Let's see why. Again, 19 feet and beyond. Next bait. The bait speaks for itself, guys. This is a Phantom Red Hard Knock 1.5. This thing's gonna be killing the springtime. I'm telling you. Pre-spawn. This is called Color Phantom Watermelon Red. Strength's cranking right here. Next bait. Oh. Got some scissors, braid scissors. These were $3. That's a steal. It's a steal to me. Oh. I actually love how you can feel the bait right here. Hold on, Z-Boss. Let me find out. You can actually feel the bait right here. Pretty cool bait. I really like this bait. I would open it up and show you guys. This is called O Blue Color. Z-Boss 10, Z-Boss 10 dives 8 to 10 feet. We're loving this. We're loving it. I really like the back on it, how it has an arc back. But I like how you can feel it, your bait, you know, before choosing it. I'm liking that from Z-Boss. But you guys know the drill. Next bait. Oh, here's some green pumpkin Tuscan leaves from Strike King. 1/4 ounce. Texas rig. Next bait. You guys. I had to, you know, to shake you worms up. I had to, guys. Grass candy. These things are looking juice. Holy cow. That's Crackalacking. Next bait. There's not much left. We have also Lucky Craft American Shad. 1.5, just like the KVD, 3 to 4 feet. A little hard knock on it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I love that American Shad. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna tilt it up and down. It's a gill pattern. This is like $6.99, around there. Loving the bait. Loving the baits. Next up. I'm pretty sure there's not much baits left, but oh yeah. Handy dandy pliers. Don't got any pliers, so had to cop some one day. Got the Mustad high carbon steel 8-nose straight pliers. Loving these. Had to cop some of pliers eventually, so why not? Next bait. Really not no baits left. We have a Z-Man chatterbait, fire crawl, no, spring call, my bad. Loving this. You guys can see that. It's a 1/2 ounce. So it's gonna be Crackalacking. Cigar, 12-pound, 4 carbon. It's gonna be throwing my crankbaits on my new. Next bait. Next bait. Gotta get my crankbaits, you know. Gotta store for my little crankbaits. Got Mugatsu deep utility box. Definitely gonna be using these. Came free with the order. TackleWarehouse shirt. Definitely gonna be seeing me rocking that in the next video. TackleWarehouse sticker. Might find a use for that. Now I know I did skip over this bad boy. So let's go ahead and crack that joint open. Woo! This joint is Crackalacking. This thing is looking juice right here. Oh my. Woo. This is stuff. 7.5 to 1. The max drag is 15 pounds. It's a 4+1 gear ratio. 5 bearing system. That bad boy. Might be upgrading the grips right here, but look at this. Can't go wrong with the Lose products. $60. See how this joint feels. Feels like a regular baitcaster, guys. The button, I'm gonna give you an honest review. The button is kind of hard to press down. But otherwise, this thing goes. This thing goes. Might spit some WD-40 on this. What the? If I had to give this 1 out of 10 out of all the reels I had in my life, I'll give it an 8. The only problems I'm seeing with this, guys, is a push button. But I'm gonna get used to it for sure. Otherwise,